if you're an affiliate marketer and you're not building an email list, you are leaving the most important part of your business on the table. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why and how to change that. Let's go. Now, I'm Sophie and I'm a coach, and I see affiliate marketers do this all the time. They find a product, they get their affiliate link, and then they post it. They post it in a blog post, they post it in a Facebook post, they send it in a DM, they post it in the description of a YouTube video. And whilst there's nothing wrong with that, the problem is they might make an odd sale here and there, but they are not building an audience of theirs. Because when someone clicks on your affiliate link, they land on a sales page, and if they buy, yes, you make a commission, but they are now on the email list of the vendor, of the product owner. And whilst it's great to make a sale and make a commission, you are not building a list of buyers of your own. Make sense? And the next problem that affiliate marketers have with this method is they are building their audience on rented land, so to speak. Every view, every follower, every subscriber, every bit of attention lives on someone else's platform. And if there is a change, if the algorithm changes, or if your account is restricted, then you lose that audience. And all your work can be gone just like that. Now compare what I just described to this. When someone joins your email list, that contact is yours. As long as they don't unsubscribe, they are in your world. You own that lead. You're not at the mercy of an algorithm that might decide that this person sees your content or not. And unless you send very, very bad and horrible spammy emails, you are never going to be kicked out of your email service provider. So you have no platform that decides whether you can contact your subscribers or not. I see this with myself. I have a fairly large audience on YouTube and on Facebook, but if Facebook deleted my account, or if YouTube, heaven forbid, deleted my channel, I would still have my email list. I would still have a way of contacting a significant part of my audience. And that is worth its weight in gold, believe me. So having this in mind changes the way you build your business online. Every video you make, every ad you run, every post you publish, instead of chasing one-off clicks on an affiliate link, it all feeds into one growing asset, your email list. And this will compound over time. Now, here's another thing that almost no one tells you. Hardly anybody buys the first time they see an offer. I mean, think about your own behavior. When was the last time that you bought something the very first time you heard of it? You probably needed to see the product a few times before you made a buying decision. And you've probably heard this thing that people buy when they know, like, and trust you. Now, I don't know that that's always true. I've bought products from people I didn't necessarily like very much, but I did need to have a level of trust. People need to trust that the product you are recommending is not garbage. And people need to factor things in. Can I afford it? Do I have enough money in the credit card? Do I really need this product? Is this really going to help me, etc., etc.? There's a whole process that goes into buying something. And that rarely happens just like that in a second. So here's the thing. If you're just posting affiliate links, some people will just see your offer once and then boom, they disappear, they've gone, right? They don't see your posts or your videos or wherever you're publishing, they don't see this again, and you've lost them. But when people have joined your email list, you get the magic of following up. You can share your story. You can help your subscribers by giving them value, tips, tricks, secrets, light bulb moments. You can answer their questions, and you can make your offer to them when they are ready, and you can make it over and over again in different ways. This means that you're always staying in your subscribers' mind, and when it's the right time, the right offer, the right price, they will buy. I can't begin to tell you how often this has happened to me. I've had people on my list who didn't buy for 18 months and then suddenly, boom, they bought something from me. Now, I would never have had that happen if I'd just been posting without building my list. It's only because I built a list of people who I could contact every week or sometimes even every day and build trust with and make offers to, that sales started to become regular for me. Does that make sense? If it doesn't, let me know in the comments. Now, you might be discouraged because you might be thinking, okay, Sophie, but I'm starting from scratch and my list is going to be very, very small and grow very slowly. And so you might be thinking, well, what's the point? I'm not even starting. But I want to encourage you to start anyway. For everybody, day one is 0. And if you don't start, you won't grow a list. Second reason is it doesn't matter if your list is small. What matters is that it's targeted. You're much better off having a small list of people who are truly interested in your topic than having a huge list of people who really are not very targeted and are not really interested in what you're talking about. And when you build your list properly, the way I teach you, you will have a list of people who are truly interested in what you are talking about, in what you are sharing, in what you are teaching. And some of these will want to buy from you. Believe me. Quick recap. Why do affiliate marketers vitally need to be building an email list? Number one, it's the only audience you will ever truly own. Number two, the money is in the follow-up and the relationship you have with people. And you can't follow up and build a solid relationship if you don't have a list, if you have no way of following up with people. Number three, you don't need a big list at all. You just need a real good one that you have grown the right way. And if you're starting from 0 today and you're thinking, yeah, okay, that's all very well, Sophie, but I don't know how to build an email list, how to start from 0 today, then I've got you covered. I've actually got 2 resources for you. One is a free guide with traffic tactics to help you grow your list. It's the first link in the description. And when you click that link, you'll actually be joining my list if you give me your name and your email address. And I'll be in touch by email, and that will be valuable and give you further help, I promise you. If anything, you'll be able to see how I do this from the inside, and you can be inspired by that and model it for your own audience. And number 2, if you're ready to take this to the next level, I have a community that you can join. That's the second link in the description. In this community, you learn how to set up the foundations to build a good targeted email list, a list of people who want to hear from you and who eventually will buy from you. And if you don't want to click any links, but you just want to stay on YouTube, then YouTube thinks that this video is a good one for you to watch next. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon. Bye for now.